Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate on Lido stETH deposit pages, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Lido stETH deposit page in your web browser. Once the page loads, locate the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner. Click on the Connect Wallet button to reveal available wallet options. Select the wallet you wish to use from the displayed options. If you're using MetaMask, for instance, click on the MetaMask icon. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, prompting you to log in if you're not already signed in. Enter your password and click Unlock to access your MetaMask wallet. Once logged in, approve the connection request from the Lido deposit page. After approval, your wallet address should be displayed on the page, indicating that you are connected. Next, ensure you have sufficient ETH in your wallet to proceed with the deposit. Use the slider or enter the amount of ETH you want to convert to stETH. Review the transaction details carefully to confirm everything is in order. When ready, click the Deposit or Confirm button. MetaMask will prompt you to confirm the transaction again. Review the gas fees and click Confirm to proceed with the deposit. Wait a moment for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum network. Once complete, you will see your stETH balance updated on the Lido deposit page. You have successfully authenticated and completed your deposit on Lido stETH. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.